Hello everyone. In this video, I will talking about not this talk, just reading because I think this book is very important for everyone that it related to the financials or money because money is very important. So I made this video because I think it's very important. This book have the title is Secret Money Domination. You can search more by yourself, but the title is Secret Money Domination. After I read and I summarize, there are six key points that I think it is very important. So the first point is 1. Rich people follow secret money rule. They don't just work hard. There is special way to make money that most people don't understand. This rule help them stay rich. 2. Change how you think about the money. If you think like poor people, you stay poor. You must start thinking like rich people. Think big, take smart risks, and believe in success. 3. Don't trust everything society teaches. News and even parents teach you to be safe and follow the rule, but many of these rules keep you poor. You need to question them. 4. Build income that works for you. Don't only rely on one job. Rich people make passive income, money that comes even when they are sleeping. Learn to build systems or businesses that make money for you. 5. Use money wisely. Don't spend all your money. Use some of it to invest, like in business, skills, or other people's time. That's how you grow your money. 6. Take action now. Thinking is good, but doing is better. If you don't act on what you learn, nothing will change. Start small, but start now. Okay? I think it is very important for us to know this rule, and I think you can learn by yourself more. You can go to read this book by yourself, and this book is written by Robert Robinson. You can check in ChatGPT or other website. I think you can find it. Just write the title Secret Money Domination. Okay, bye.